news this evening, panic, chaos, and destruction as the country is hit by a 5.6 magnitude earthquake. Hospitals overwhelmed with trauma cases in the wake of Monday morning's tremor, and officials assess damage brought on by the quake.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, of course, it's all about the earthquake, and businesses were affected because, of course, there was loss of power and telecommunication services. So we'll have all that in the business day a little later on.
Thank you, Keys. And Jordan, for the earthquake and sports?
Yes, Archie, indeed. First of all, we're just giving thanks in terms of when we're hearing about, no major damage caused by the earthquake, but we're looking at the impact on sporting venues, some of the major sporting venues across the country. Of course, that's dominating headlines, so we'll have the details of that in Primetime Sports Monday.
Today was one day I wish it was just a whole lot of rain. But Romain, what can you tell us about what's coming up in the weather report and forecast?
So over the next few days, Janelle, we are expecting a decrease, or rather an increase in the amount of showers and thunderstorms that we are forecasting across sections of eastern and central Pacific. But we're still also expecting a few thunderstorms across sections of the west, especially as we get into the latter part of this week.
Thank you, Romain. There's also E-Prime and sports commentary in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And of course, this evening we're asking this question. What was your experience during today's earthquake? I can't wait to tell the listeners about Archie's experience, okay? It was funny, but anyway.
We want to hear you, so share your comments online. Facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.